Check out this Fastback here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. 289 V8 underneath the hood, A-code car. C4 automatic transmission, power steering. I believe it was disc brakes up front. And as you can see, riding on American racing wheels, and those BF Goodrich radials are brand new. You can still see the remnants of the stickers on them. Let's take a look at the front chrome grille. Paint shows well on this. This is originally a J paint code, so it would have been Rangoon red. As far as the stripes, they are painted. This is not vinyl. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see this car top to bottom, engine bay, trunk, interior, underside, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. And as you can see, 2+2. So we do have the seat that will fold down in the rear. You're going to be able to check that out in the still pictures. Black vinyl interior is the correct original color this would have been produced with. Of course, the center console with that shifter on the floor. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Taillight surrounds, nice shade, chrome in the rear, all shows well. You can also see dual exhaust. Did notice one little spot in the paint, and this is getting awful fussy. Let's see even if I can find it back. No, I don't even see it. Oh, there's just kind of some, I don't know if it's just some little imperfections in the clear. I can't even get it to really show up. There you go. There, you kind of see it right there, and if the light's just right. But overall, again, this paint does show well. So it'll turn some heads into your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side. And again, uniqueclassiccars.com. I mentioned those tires were new. There's the remnants of the stickers still on them, like I said. And again, American racing wheels. Good look. No major nicks, dings, scratches. Yeah, you might find a little spot where maybe it's been touched up, but overall it's a very good looking car. All right, let's take a little closer peek at this interior. Door panels. You'll be able to see a picture of the door tag in with the still pictures. Car has obviously been restored. Something else I want to go through before I fire it up and let you hear it run. A few things that were recently done to this. I did have a tune-up, distributor, wires, plugs, and they did a compression check at that time. All cylinders between 138 and 145. It's originally a California, LA DSO, so original California car, actually built in San Jose. You'll be able to see that from the data tag if you want to do any of the decoding on there also. Wipers did work, AM radio and it worked, blower fan worked. And we're going to fire it up so you can hear it run, and I'll go through a little more of the interior with you. So headliner good, you can see the seats. Vinyl pretty much free of any rips, tears, much wear at all. Starts easily. See fuel gauge coming up, oil pressure, amps, and that was a cold start, so I expect that to move. So it appears all the gauges are working also.
And so the girl went to authorities.
AM radio also working. Like I said, I did have the blower fan working for heat and defrost. Did not get the horn to work. Nice sounding idle. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Door closes nicely. So nothing crazy over the top. No big Lobe cam in it or anything. Just a nice sounding throaty exhaust. All right. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this 1 second real quick. Get this hood open. Let's check out this end.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Underside of the hood, first off. And look at this nice, clean, and tidy engine bay. Again, power steering, 289. Chrome dress up with valve covers, air cleaner cover. This would be a fun one. Get in, turn the key, go. 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback 2+2. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.